Over. He touched me.
Yo. Oh. Wait. With this group too?
Yeah.
Oh, it's my group.
Hey, you good to me? No, look good to me. I want to aggregate film. What's up? You gotta go start. You gotta sell us, bro. Yeah, let him play. He has to play. You're ready? We're Costa. Who's in group one? Yeah, hey, Blue. My brother. Hey, little one.
Little one.
Yeah, hey, Drew, come on. There's Jesse. You can't play? Yeah, go ahead. Let's go. Run into appointment. Come on. Linda. Oh, I like it. Horrible.
Dude, it's over.
Come on. You can't believe my point. Hey. Yes.
No!
Keep touching that.
Yo, control.
That was the ball. That's the ball. That was all net. That's the ball. Hey, judge. That's the judge. Bro, that's the net. 1-1. It was so hard. He's not gonna hit it.
Ooh.
Somebody.
Get up.
Nice. Top. Yeah, that's nice.
Make him tired.
Ow.
Lose action number 1.
Go over there. Get your hand over there. Hey, John, you gotta block it. He's not gonna do anything. Bang let you too. Come on, over. Come on. Yeah, he said you're not gonna do anything. Oh, man.
Oh, don't remind me.
No.
Good. Huh? Bro, he wasn't even near it. He was about to get it.
When you guys get fired,
I wasn't
I
literally.
want to play.
I wasn't literally about to do this.
I want to play.
No!
He went like, what? He went like, this game so much order to lose it. I was
What the heck just happened?
Yo, get ready.
He was like,
No net, that was the ball. That was ball. No, that was ball, bro. What? That was ball. What the? That was ball, bro. Alright. It's okay.
what are you talking about? Why you not right by Why you want it back?
Ball don't lie, see? Ball don't lie. Shut up. Let's game. Ball don't lie.
Yo.
Hit it hard. You don't want to hit it hard.
Yay!
Yeah, he got to your head.
No! Oh! No that. Bro, y'all move the net, bro. What y'all talking about?
See, it wasn't net. Right, see? No. Johvi, hit it hard. Jump serve.
It's okay.
It's okay, we're still winning.
What the heck? That's what we grip, man. Yeah. He's not hitting back there, bro. He is. What are you talking about? You want to keep up. You want to always come up, bro. Yeah. Get that. Yeah. Get it back.
You got it.
Over. He touched it. No, he didn't.
His shoulder just there.
Dude.
Rudy, are you on their team?
What is group 2 doing? Dude, what is group 2 doing, bro? Is Arma? Wait, he's rotate, bro. Rotate.
What? When you're stuck. When it hurt.
Over.
Watch it.
Get out! You're just qualified. Didn't your team lose against this team easy? 6-7.
I need to stop, huh?
6-7.
Yeah, good stuff.
Good lineup.
Oh, this dude's the worst center, bro. What you mean? I literally give you a ball. No, I talked to Costa. Go get it.
Yo, Christina's up, bro. Christina's up, bro.
Wait.
Got it. Nice.
What the? Over. I got a wedgie. Over.
Nice.
I cannot believe what I just witnessed.
Legit.
Back. What happened? Let's do it again.
Just kidding.
It better not be in the net. No, so now you can't receive it. No, let's do it again. To me. Come on, Greg. What is that?
That was so low. That was so low.
You gotta dance that way.
We got 2 points after you left.
Bro, I got more points than you.
Hey. Hey. Say another one. Hi, bro. Hi.
Oh, man.
I did it.
Just redo.
I redo. Redo it though. I don't lie.
Oh, no net.
Over the right.
My bad.
Barely touched it. That means he touched it.
What you guys think? I didn't touch it.
What you doing, Machala? Go back, bro.
Machala, you're trash.
Oh, me, Chuck, y'all some trash.
Y'all are supposed to rotate.
Yeah, y'all are supposed to rotate.
Not yet.
No,
This
he
redo
served
it.
that one though.
Yeah, they say redo.
Every do he missed and then we
Yeah,
served.
he missed.
Yeah, and then we served.
Oh shoot.
We just missed that ball.
What do you mean? Yo!
Yeah, no.
Hey, we need a bubble over there. Wow! I got out. Look, we're catching up.
Wait, what is it?
12-9.
10,
Jovi got too much pressure on him. 11 now.
You say middle?
That's a no group, man. That's a different group. That's a wrong group. Your group is right here.
Stop it.
Come on, jump up.
No.
You scared? Oh my, he's scared.
Why are you suck? 13-10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't hype him much up. He sucks. Just kidding.
Cat, bro.
It's game point.
Nice.
Oh! Nice.
Gang. Are you swimming?
Bottle line. So sorry, guys. This is a long thing. Who did that? Go, sir. Hold on, Jesse, bro. Everybody go. Wait, there's somebody in fire, bro. Give them hope.
We should do 25, bro.
Yeah, we should have done 25, man.
Rotate. Legit, give me a good one.
Hey, go. He better beat the deck. Jump serve. You gotta ask him for a number.
Dude,
He knows exactly what
he knows, he knows how to I spike.
So what do he say you got?
Dude, cause he like throw it.
Hey, yo, careful. What a waterfall! No. Do it again. I gotta do it again. Ain't nobody falling.
He covers nothing right there, anything.
No! What? Middle.
Full on net. That's all ball.
Bro. Dude, no, it's right here. It's right here. It's slow motion.
Hey!
That was hand on net.
Oh!
It's rotate.
Oh, that was fun. By just outside.
No.
Dang, I was not ready for that. I wasn't even ready for that one.
Yeah, he's good.
That one came out of nowhere.
Who won? It's gonna scare the whole team.
Check.
Over.
Bro.
Bro set me up, bro.
Over. Oh, somebody had it. 11-10. Somebody touched that. Oh, what you trying to do?
Better get Grimace Shake out of here.
No, bro.
Oh.
Ooh, what? What, bro?
Wow.
What is bro doing?
That's not for him, bro. Whoa!
Yo!
He looked at you before he even served. Go on. Let's just play. We're not swimming. Nah, we're not swimming. Sorry. Oh, bounce on jump, bro. Dude.